Let's start Lesson 1, Determination Brings Success. We will be studying about a child named Rahul who wanted to become an astronaut. We always think of what we would like to be when we are grown up. It requires great sincerity and determination to make our dreams come true. Rahul was a small child and he had always listened the stories of astronauts, space and spaceships from his teachers and elders. He had developed a very big dream. He was curious to know more about the space and wanted to visit and explore the space. He had dreamed to visit the moon to see how the earth looked from space. One day Rahul thought to share his dream with his close friends, but all of them made fun of him and laughed at his thought. One of them said, "Oh, Rahul on the moon, what a joke." His sister told him, "It is never an easy work. You have developed a very big dream. Therefore, forget about flying very high and reaching the moon." Rahul was badly hurt by all these remarks. He finally decided to discuss about his dream only with his father. Rahul's father had already heard about his big dream to be an astronaut and to fly to the moon. He said to him, "Listen, my dear son, I can realize that you have developed big dreams. To achieve something very big, you will have to remain focused and to put in a lot of hard work. If you really want to be an astronaut, you will have to work very hard. You should always stay concentrated on your dream. Then only you can be an astronaut." Rahul properly understood that one should never leave one's dream even if anyone laughed at him. He was encouraged to make his dreams successful. From that day onwards, he started working harder. He took his studies very seriously and always kept his target in mind. After putting in lot of hard work, Rahul has become a successful astronaut. Rahul's father is extremely happy of him. Think about it. 1. Dedication, determination and application always bring success. 2. To achieve something big, you will have to remain focused and put in a lot of hard work. 3. You should always stay concentrated on your dreams. 4. Organized applications is the master key to get desired result. Never forget, you should always be determined to become what you want to be. It requires great determination and focus to fulfill your dreams. You should do work hard.